Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Today's video is a tutorial of how to put on false lashes. I get so many questions about how you all can make your lash experience better and how you cannot hate putting on fake lashes, and so I gave you all some tips and tricks and you can really see how easy it is. I wear fake lashes nearly every day. I think there's like one day of the week that you'll see me without fake lashes. I just wear them constantly because for me at this point it is just easier to put on fake lashes than it is to like spend 20 minutes trying to make my real lashes look right with mascara. So with that being said, I really just wanted to throw something together, and I gave you some tips and tricks on cheaper lash options and more upper scale lash options. So a little bit of both, some suggestions on what you should start with if you're a beginner. And so if you're interested on how to learn how to put on fake lashes, then keep on watching. For your lashes, first of all, when you're picking out a pair of lashes, if this is the first time that you have worn false lashes, you need to get a pair of lashes that's going to be comfortable for you. So start with a lash that's a lighter lash. It's not going to be as heavy. It's not going to feel as heavy, because you will feel if you get one too big and too heavy, you're gonna feel it all day. It's gonna bother you. So let yourself get used to wearing fake lashes. Start with a really small pair. They're easier to work with as well, so just ease yourself into it. Don't jump into it, because I think a lot of times people try these big lashes and they're like, oh my gosh, they're impossible to work with, and the bigger ones are harder to work with. So I just wanted to throw that out there before I got started. Today I'm just using a pair of wispy lashes. These are from Ardell. This is what I wear day to day. You can get them at Walgreens, you can get them at Walmart. They're a pretty basic drugstore lash, and I like to they sell at Walmart. They have like a pack of 5 of them. That's the best way to buy lashes if you are wanting to wear them more than once. If you're wanting to wear these even weekly, it's just nice to have like a pack that you can keep in your drawer, pop them out for when you're wanting to have something different. So now that I'm done rambling, so first thing that I'm going to do is obviously put my glue on my lashes. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the House of Lashes glue, and I'm going to use a black glue today because I do have liner on, and so this black glue will dry with my liner, and I just think it looks better when you have black liner on to use a black lash glue. Now again, if you're a beginner, maybe don't use the black glue, because we don't know where that will be. It might be at the top of your forehead. But once you get the hang of it, it's better to use, if you do have liner on, it's better to use a black lash glue. So I am just putting this, I'll show you guys. So I'm literally just taking the lash, and this comes with a little brush applicator, and I am just brushing a layer of glue on this lash band. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put glue on both lashes. And then I'm going to let them sit for a second, because so like what I like to do is I put my glue on the first lash, I set it down, and then while I'm putting on the glue on the second lash, the first lash is drying and getting a little bit tacky. That is the number one mistake that people make, is they go in with wet glue that hasn't had a chance to get tacky, and that lash is just going to slide all over your face, and you're going to be really upset and really frustrated, and it's probably not going to look how you like it. And so what I like to do is allow like 30 seconds, and it definitely depends on the lash glue. The duo lash glue, I can let that sit for like 30 seconds to a whole minute, and it's still going to be tacky. It's not going to be completely dry. The House of Lashes glue, you definitely have to work quicker with. Like this first one will be ready. I just put that glue on the second one, and so now this first lash is ready. So second tip that I have for you guys, take a mirror, a compact mirror, just like this one is just like a highlighter mirror that I have. Hold it below your face like this, so you're looking down at it. Do not close your eye completely. you will still be able to see out of the eye that you're putting the lash on. Do not close your eyes, because you will get the glue stuck on your bottom lash. It'll be a whole big thing. Make sure you have a pair of tweezers, and make sure your tweezers are clean, because if you've used them before with glue, they can tend to stick to your false lash, and that is just annoying. And so mine has glue on it right now, that's why I'm telling you guys that. And so now what I'm going to do is take this first lash, since it's had some time to get tacky, and I hold my mirror about right here. And first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to place it right on my lash band. I'm not going to worry about pinning any edges or anything like that. I'm literally just pinning it on my eye. Okay, so now it's sitting there. My edges are both up. Now I'm going to take the outer corner, pin it. Now I'm going to go to the inner corner, which tends to be the most difficult to work with. That's why I let it sit for the longest, so that it can get a chance to get really tacky. Just do the same thing, just grab it with your tweezers and pin to your inner corner. And that's it. Like, it is so easy, you guys. I promise. There's so many clients out there like, how do you wear fake lashes every day? But it is easier for me to throw on a pair of lashes than to worry about making my real lashes look right with mascara. Like, I will spend 20 minutes putting on mascara, but it will take me 5 minutes to put on my lashes. So once you get the hang of it, it's amazing. So I'm just going to do the same thing again so you guys can see. Just sit that lash right on your lash line. Make sure you're going to your lash line and not to your actual lashes. I mean, I think that goes unsaid, but just throw it out there. Okay, and so now I have that sitting, and I'm going to take my outer corner, pin it, inner corner, pin it. So now I have both of my lashes on, and since this is a drugstore lash, I'm going to put a mascara over it. Now, if you have lashes that are like the faux mink ones, or anything like that, a nicer lash that you spent more money on, I suggest putting your mascara on before you put your lashes on, because if you put mascara on those more expensive lashes, it's definitely going to cheapen them, and they're not going to last you as long. But like I said, these are just a pair of demi wispies. They're nothing super crazy. So I am going to just blend my natural lash with this mascara, and I'm literally just going to put one coat, and I don't take it all the way to the end of this lash. I just keep it where my natural lashes hit, which is about halfway through that fake lash. I find if you take it all the way through the end, again, it cheapens the lash, and I don't know, I just don't really like how that looks, and so I just don't do it. The Ardell wispies, very easy to work with. The demi wispies as well, if you're not quite ready for the wispies. The demi wispies go from short to long, and those are a good pair to start with, the wispies. And then I really like House of Lashes. They're more expensive. These are going to be the ones that you don't put mascara on. These are going to be your special occasion lashes. Their iconic lashes are one of my favorites. And then I do have a discount code with Azeredos Cosmetic Lashes. This is a new lash company that I found about a month or two ago, and I love their lashes. They're very durable. They are going to be your higher end lashes, but they're great for special occasions, and I do have a discount code for them. And I did want to say too, their bands, if you are newer to lashes, the Azeredo lash bands are very moldable, so you can kind of bend them and mold them to your eye shape, which does make them easier to work with. You don't have to do all that pinning and craziness. They're not like flying up on you like a lot of lashes do. So I really think those are very easy to work with if you're trying to find a lash that is easy to work with. So the Azeredo, it's Azeredo, Azeredo Cosmetic Lashes, and then my discount code for 10% off is Molly10, and I will link that down below for you guys. And then lash glue, my favorite lash glue to use is the Duo Lash Glue. that is, it comes, you can get it at Walgreens, you can get it at Walmart, you can get it at Sephora. Sephora has a bigger tube of it, so if you're a makeup artist or anything like that, it's good to get the tube, which if you're a makeup artist, you're probably not watching this. But if you want it to last longer, I suggest going to Sephora and getting the bigger tube of Duo, but Walgreens does sell the smaller tube as well. And it's pretty reasonably priced, and it is just the best glue out there. I like the House of Lashes glue, but I do not suggest it for beginners because it is very strong, and like once it's in place, it is in place, it is not moving. The Duo glue is a little bit more moldable, a little bit easier to work with if you're just getting started. But yeah, I think that's all I have to go over. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this one, then be sure to subscribe so you can see what I have in store for you next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys the next time. Hey guys, welcome back to my... What?